Coronavirus outbreaks at senior living facilities were reported this week by the Oregon Health Authority. We brought you that information from OHA on Newswatch 12 yesterday. Now, at least one of Medford's senior living facilities included on that OHA report says that report is false. Newswatch 12's Cameron Derby has been digging into the disparity in the reports. He's live now in the studio. Cameron, what do you have for us?
Well, the Oregon Health Authority lists workplace outbreaks for long-term care facilities as 3 or more cases. Yesterday, it reported Horton Plaza having 4 cases. But Horton Plaza says it's only had 1 case since the pandemic started, and that happened all the way back in mid-September. If you take a look at your screen, you can see the OHA weekly report published yesterday showing 4 cases at Horton Plaza. Horton Plaza reached out to us to let us know that number is not accurate and that the facility is still a very safe place to live. Horton Plaza says the false report caused quite an unnecessary scare for residents, employees, and family members at the facility.
So of course a lot of our residents were upset and they were scared, thinking that we weren't telling them about potential issues or COVID cases, which creates a lot of uncertainty for our residents.
On another list this week of facilities reporting cases of COVID-19 on Oregon.gov, there's no mention of Horton Plaza. When the list was published on Tuesday, Horton had no cases, but on Wednesday, Horton was reported with an outbreak. Horton Plaza says the OHA has made Horton Plaza aware of a mistake in the reporting and that Horton Plaza will be removed from the list entirely tomorrow.
Do daily temperature checks on all of the residents, on all of the employees. We do a symptom-based questionnaire on everybody that enters our building. We do a risk-based questionnaire, so if they've been to hot spots or something like that or been in contact with somebody, then they don't enter, or people don't enter our building.
While cross-checking some of those same lists from OHA and Oregon.gov of our local facilities with outbreaks, we contacted 5 facilities. We've left voicemails at some and haven't heard back. But the Suites Assisted Living and Memory Care facility in Grants Pass says it has 0 cases, yet it's listed as having an outbreak. We've also reached out to the Oregon Health Authority to confirm some of this information and figure out what the disparities in reporting were, but it has not responded back to us yet. We'll keep pushing to get these answers for you, but for right now, live in studio, Cameron Derby, Newswatch 12.